So you can see the example of model construction. So we have the classification algorithm. We have the training data. So in this we can see the name, rank, years and tenure. This is the data set. Based upon this training data, we can apply any classification algorithm and build a classifier model. Build a classification model or a classifier. So our class label is the tenure. So the rank is the assistant professor and the years given is 3. So the tenure is, the class label will be no. So like this we have two classes in the tenure, yes and no. Now once we have used this training data to train the model, our model is ready. We'll test the new record on this model, which is not in your training data. Now if we see the rank equal to professor, we have this record bill with years 2 and having the tenure S. Now if you are getting the rank equal to professor and years greater than 6, then what will be the tenure value? It is S. So whether this will be correctly classified or not, and it can be identified by applying this to the classifier model. Once your model is ready, now we'll have the test data. So we are having this 4 test records. We need to identify whether this tenured class labels S and no assigned here are correctly classified or not. For example, you have given unseen data Jeff, a professor having years 4. Then what will be the tenure for this? You will calculate the value of this by using the classifier model. Suppose it is coming S. So you are classifying, you are assigning the label to this new record as S. For example, Joseph. By using your classification model, you need to identify the tenure for this model as S. If you are not getting it as S and you are getting no, that means it is misclassified. So like this you have to use the classification.